welcome back to the Bruce Wilson Shorts, my second channel. There is a video that went up today of a fellow by the name of Mario. I haven't pronounced his last name, but you'll see it here in these clips that he was drag racing his semi-truck. I seen it at the Mid-America Trucking Show. It's pretty sick. It's got a Caterpillar engine in it. High, crazy horsepower truck with big compound turbos on it. Looks like he took off from the staging, did a burnout, came back, no problems there, and the moment he let go of that clutch to take off and go, it looks like maybe a coolant, or not a coolant, but a oil pressure line going on the turbos just let go and lit this thing on fire. Here's the footage. It's absolutely insane.
That thing sounds crazy. Oh, hey. Seven, 6. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get him out. Get him out. We should move away from here too. Yeah. It's crazy, huh?
So there it is, everybody. I'm going to show a little bit of footage of the aftermath. He did want to let his family know that everything is okay. The truck can be fixed. I know they're sponsored by Fast Fuel Systems, and Fast doesn't really affiliate with anybody unless they are top-notch people. So I'm sure they're going to get it fixed back up and be back on the circuit. Check it out right here.
Oh yeah. My family wants to see a video, so I'll
Get him a sponsor. Rebuild the car. Rebuild the speed.
So don't worry, everyone. I'm all good.
Yes, I understand this isn't my footage, guys, but I want to bring it to you as something really neat. I wouldn't say it's cool because it's very unfortunate it happened to a fellow racer that his truck got tore up and almost burnt to the ground, but hopefully it gets all fixed up. Make sure you guys smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. We'll freaking see you later. Peace.